Alrighty, welcome back to Cooking with Michael. That's me. I'm ready to cook. Got my Pig Diamond shirt on. Check it out. Shout out to all my Pig Diamond friends. I missed you this year because of this craziness going on. No Memphis in May, it sucked. Anyway, we're gonna be cooking a Tuscan shrimp dish. It's gonna have some butter, garlic, spinach, basil. It's gonna be ridiculous. A Tuscan shrimp dish. Oh my God, it's gonna be so good. All right, so here's our ingredients. Got some Parmesan cheese. Normally this doesn't go in there, I don't think, but I'm gonna put some red pepper flakes in it to spice it up. Got some granulated onion, of course the shrimp. Have some butter. This is spinach and basil, just mixed them together. Garlic, heavy cream, juice of a lemon, some red tomatoes. Look at that, are you kidding me? That's real production right there. Salt, pepper, and olive oil. And that's gonna be the ingredients for the Tuscan shrimp. All right, so I got my oil heated. I'm gonna throw in some butter. I'm gonna throw in some garlic. A little bit of the onion powder. Now I've seen people cook the shrimp first, and then they take the shrimp out, and then they put the shrimp back in there. And that doesn't make any sense to me because you overcook the shrimp. So we're gonna add the heavy cream now. Let that garlic get a little bit brown. All right, now that's gonna reduce. Let that come to a boil. Gonna add our salt and pepper.
You like the pepper, right? The crack of the pepper.
All right, so what you wanna do is just get this boiling and then reduce it to a simmer, and that's gonna reduce. All right, so it's starting to bubble up. Make sure you continuously stir this, because if you don't, you're gonna scorch the cream. It's gonna burn at the bottom. So now we're gonna add some more ingredients. Gonna add some lemon juice. Keep the seeds out of there. Gonna add some Parmesan cheese. So you can hear it at the bottom. I don't know if you can pick it up, but it's kind of, you can hear it kind of trying to scorch. Gonna add our basil and spinach. It's already starting to thicken up now. Add some tomatoes. And then the shrimp. And I just splashed it everywhere. All right, we're just gonna let this continually cook until the shrimp are done. And it thickens up a little bit more. Also the red pepper flakes, almost forgot that. If you want it spicy. Well, that's all the time we have today. Hope you had a good time. I know I did. I know I'm gonna enjoy this. Simple, easy Tuscan shrimp. And the cat's meowing, as always in my videos. That cat, let's try it out. No, not for you. No. No. That's good. You can taste all the flavors. It's beautiful, guys. Just like you.